whilst ignoring the looming environmental issues the world faces. The Reefolution Foundation is a coral restoration project in Kenya that aims to rebuild the fragile, disintegrating coral reefs in the Indian Ocean.
Hi, I'm Peter Vodegel and I'm working with Reefolution at Swahili Beach Resort to see if we can set up a new coral restoration project. Currently we're busy with a pilot project, setting it up, and I'm going to explain you a bit about coral restoration. First, coral restoration, why is it important? It's important because 25% of all marine life depends on coral reefs, the tropical rainforest of the ocean, and almost 1 billion people depending on coral reefs for their livelihoods. What we first do, we pick up little pieces of coral in the ocean. They broke loose by the force of nature, and then we hang them in the trees like this. After 6 to 9 months, they grow from this little size to like this size, and then we can put them back on the degraded coral reefs. That way all habitat comes back for the fish, and the fish in turn keeps the corals healthy. We put the coral reefs, we put them on artificial reefs. We got a unit over there, it's a bottle reef. So we actually use bottles that have been recycled, so they have been used by the resort or other tourist companies, and they donate them for us to use and to put the corals on, which give the corals a good basis to grow from. After a few weeks already we see some fish returning, and after a couple of years we can really see like large fish communities coming back to the area. Currently with the pilot project we aim to restore the whole Diani National Marine Reserve. Well, we start with a small area and then hope to accomplish to restore other key sites, but that's a long-term aim. So far we're still doing a pilot study.